What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Six Flags over Georgia today, but we are here for a little construction update. As we can see right here, Rocky Mountain Construction has already done a ton of work on the Georgia Cyclone. Lift hill over here is gone, and very soon we're going to have a whole bunch of bents in place for the new track. Again, RMC coaster here. I'm excited, and we're going to show you around just a little bit. So yeah, for those of you that like nighttime views, of course, of the new construction for Rocky Mountain Construction, there you go. And see, there you have it, folks. Coming in 2018, Twisted Cyclone. And of course, we have the old entrance for Georgia Cyclone. And all the barricades saying, sorry, you can't ride.